Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out.
I think I found the perfect compression tops. Y'all know I love wearing compression tops like this to the gym. Y'all remember a while ago I had found some really good ones from Kohl's where they had the thumb holes. They were perfect. I love those so much, but I haven't been seeing those in store when I go lately. And the ones that I had was old. They were kind of like the little lint balls and stuff. So I had to throw those out, but I found some good ones on Amazon. So I have this black one. I started to get it in a size large because I wasn't too sure, but it's not super tight, but it still holds me in. So this is a size medium on me. And this is how it looks in the back. Just simple like that. It comes in a pack of 4. You can get different colors. I'm so happy that I found these because they're just so good. So I got the white. I love a good black white combo in the gym. And I'm not like one of those girls that wear all the little sexy workout outfits. I need to feel comfortable while I'm working out. So I got the blue, and I love working out in long sleeves. Like shirts like this is perfect for me. I got the blue because I do have some blue leggings from Quince, and then I have the gray right here. So love these, and it's kind of like the dry fit material, which I love. So I'll link them in the description box if you guys are interested. I just got them in, so I wanted to try them on, but yeah. They look good. This look real good, y'all. It's real comfortable, nice and soft. I'm telling y'all, y'all need these. I'm gonna go online right now because I wanted to order some more colors, but I wanted to get this pack first just because I wasn't sure if a medium was gonna be too tight or if I needed to get a large. But like I said, it's not too tight, but it still holds me in. They already have the colors selected. So if you want to get like the brown, black, colors like that, you just got to select the other one. So I'm going to go on there and see what other colors they have and order me a few more because I really need to get rid of like my old workout stuff. But like this type of stuff, long sleeve, thin, like dry fit material, so you don't have to really worry about too much sweat coming through. That's my type of workout outfit. So I'm gonna go through my other stuff probably this weekend and throw some stuff out and replace it with some new things. So yeah. This company right here sent me 3 pair of sunglasses. Funny thing is, first of all, I don't need any more sunglasses. I am the sunglass queen. I will claim that. I love sunglasses. That's my favorite accessory. And I have a very large amount, okay? So I'm going to show y'all right here. I don't need any more sunglasses, but I continue to purchase them. So they sent me 3 pair. 2 of the pair that they sent I already have. I actually have a whole row of them. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 6 different colors. Oh, but this is 1 pair. This is not really my style. They're cute, but this isn't something that I would purchase. They're just too plain for me. So I'll see if my brother want them, but they're nice. It's just not really something that I would buy. So I got those. And then these right here I have. I sent these, which I have right here. I love these. These are so cute. Let me see, where's mine? Here's mine. I haven't worn them in a while. And then they sent this pair right here. This is the pair that I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different colors. And I have this. Do I have this color? Yeah, it's right there. These right here. These are really cute. I have these already. My favorite pair in these are probably either I have the all black, of course, the color that I just showed. I have this one with the pink tint. These are really cute. They need to be cleaned. They're very dusty. But these are one of my favorites. I love the brown. And I've had these for years. And then I have the clear ones with the mirror tint. Really cute. So yeah, thank you for sending these sunglasses over.
Let's take this show on the road. Same-ish, different day. I be bored out my mind. Hometown, love my place, but while I'm in my prime, gotta go get away. Hop a train, cop a flight, and ride. Tonight I gotta break free. My job, those boss be working my nerves. Clock out at phone do not disturb. My boyfriend's cool, but I need my girls. The world is ours, so run it up, let's go to a land where we cannot be found. So off the grid, way too little, slow down. No, me and who when they see me out, booked it 'cause I'm not waiting around for you. Let's effing go Miami, let's effing go Chicago, let's effing go be more, let's effing go Houston, let's effing go Atlanta, let's effing go Tokyo, let's effing go Brazil, let's effing go London, let's effing go South Africa, let's effing go Korea, let's effing go New York, let's effing go Toronto, let's effing go Paris, let's effing go Nigeria, let's effing go DC, let's effing go LA, let's effing go.
I'm just not around people who make withdrawals. I'm around people who make deposits. Because if you're the only one in your circle group, in your friend group, that are making the deposits, you will end up depleting yourself because you are emotionally giving of yourself without restoration. Does anybody in your circle have the ability to pour back into you, right? Because energy takers are energy drainers. Who do you have in your life that can give to you, that can pour into you, that can speak to the king, the queen in you, that can check you, that can, come on, that can really pull you up to the next level instead of pull you down to toxic thinking? Because the reality is not every friend group is gonna be able to pour into you, but you need at least one. How are you the only one that's pouring in to the group every single day, week, month, year? That's unhealthy. I'm not calling you out, I'm calling you up.
Got my nails done. So pretty. I actually got my nails done on Tuesday, I think. But I went to Walmart. I picked up a few new things. First of all, y'all know that the Neutrogena Hydro Facial Mask is one of my favorites because I love Dr. Jart. But the Neutrogena Hydro Face Mask is like one of my favorites. I really like that mask. And I noticed that they had a few different things that I didn't know that they had. So I decided to pick up some of the Hydro Boost. This has hyaluronic acid. It's an exfoliant cleanser right here. And I really like it. How many times a week does it say to use this? And then I decided to pick up some dry shampoo. This is the Dove in the scent Fresh Coconut. So it looks like this. I've never tried this before, so we're gonna try it today. Let's see if I like it. I love the smell. It does smell really nice. But I'm trying to find like a new dry shampoo. So if you guys have any recommendations, let me know. But yeah, I'm trying to decide if I want to take myself to lunch, come back, sit by the pool, and chill out for the day. I'm really still in the middle of deciding. Khalida left her purse over here, so I need to see if she's gonna come pick that up today. So I don't want to go too far. So, because I mean, she has tap if she needs to purchase anything, but I think her ID is in that purse and she needs her ID. So I'm assuming she's asleep right now because she hasn't responded to my text messages yet. So hopefully I'll pick y'all back up once I decide. Alright, here's my outfit. My favorite trousers. I have these in maybe like 4 colors. I have blue, black, cream. I have like a beige and then this little taupey color. So comfortable. And then this little button down top. Really nice, flowy, really cute. I think I'm gonna be mixing those today because I want to carry my little Gucci. So I'm gonna carry this crossbody. Let's see how this look. Of course I'm gonna take a picture, so I be having to get into the full look. So yeah, this, and then I'm wearing these little Birkenstocks that I got from H&M. I need to loosen up this part on the toe. Y'all know I have my little Gucci ones like this. They are so heavy, like they are not comfortable. But I don't want to wear those because I don't want to be too matchy-matchy. Yeah, this is cute. And then so I'm gonna wear some Gucci Guilty today. I haven't worn this in a while. I hate what's happening to this bottle. I don't think they have this bottle anymore either. I think they had that ugly little clear bottle. I hate that bottle. This is the bottle that I love. This packaging is like so pretty. So I'm gonna wear that because I haven't worn that in a while. And then sunglasses. This is where the mixed metals come in. Well, my earrings are gold too, but do I want to wear these? I need to clean whichever ones I decide. These are cute. That's how they look. I want to wear these, or do I want to wear these since I just got them? Which one? Both of them are really cute. I think I'll go. Does this have silver? I think I'll wear these just because they're new. Yeah, so this is the look of the day. Now I'm gonna make me some coffee to go, but I don't have any straws. which really sucks. So what I usually do is I would take one of my glass straws when I use my to-go cups, and just because I want an iced coffee, so I'll just take my glass straw with me. And I need to get some straws. I'm gonna go on Amazon and see if I can find some cute little straws, some cute little paper straws.